Yes. Another beautiful signal, guys. Another beautiful signal. So this one is going down 100%, that this one is going down. I'm using these indicators, guys. This is called binary option. For those who don't know what is binary options, the market is going either above or below this price. I will take a prediction. I will say that the market is going either higher or lower. If I think that the market is going up, I will click higher. So I will put, for example, here I'm invested $300. If my prediction is right and really by the end of this expiration time, which is 1 minute, the market went up, I'm making $288. In the other case, if I predict that the market is going down, I click sell. The icon will come back by the end of this trade. So I click, in this case, I click sell, and I will make 86% profit, right? 86% profit. So in this case, I'm predicting that the market is going up, right? I'm predicting that the market will go above this line. So this line here, meaning by the end of this expiration time or purchase time, I predict that the market will close here by when it will reach this red line. I'm predicting this red line, meaning by the end of this candle, right? By the end of this candle, I'm expecting that the market is closing above. And if my prediction is right, I'm making this amount, 86% or 96% of my investment. Yeah, in this case, I won. All right. Again. No. Same thing. How I predict this directions of the market. Simply, I use, as you can see, these dots here are called parabolic SAR. All right, parabolic SAR. This line over here is called, and this line, and this line, the three lines are called bollinger or bollinger bands. And this box over here is called, as you can see, RSI. I use these three indicators. Sometimes I use another indicator which is called the MA or the moving average. Yep, I made another win. Let's open another. Yeah, this one is going down. If my prediction is right, I'm making this amount, 96%, which is $288. If my prediction is wrong, as you can see, I'm losing $300. So by the end of this this candle or this 1 minute, we will know if I was right or wrong, right? I will need to wait for 1 minute. This case, I still have 20 seconds, right? So yeah, let's see what direction the market is taking and what color the candle is going to be. I'm investing here on, or I'm trading on EURUSD OTC binary with the 1 minute candlestick chart. Yeah, I won. I still have. So how my strategy is working, the strategy will create a signal. The signal will tell me the colors of the next 8, 10, sometimes 12 candles. Up to 12 candles, I can predict the next 12 candles using these indicators, the chart pattern, the rules from my strategy, right? The rules, I have some rules on my strategy. So everything is explained in the course in the description below. If you are interested, just go and try to learn. I will teach you binary option, and I will teach you this strategy. All right. Great, another win. And you need to be careful, guys, because there's plenty of toxic scammers on this domain. Never give money to anybody. There's some people pretending to be me. I will never ask you to give me money. I will never ask you to buy my signals. I only have my course available on my website, and that's it. So I will never contact you directly and ask you to buy my course or to ask you to buy my signals. Yeah, this one I can't trust it, but yeah, let's open this one. Yeah, I could not trust this candle. It wasn't clear, but the next one, I'm sure that the next one is going down. So the market will go down from this point down under this line. Yeah, under this price. Let's see. Yeah, I still have 20 seconds. I still have 20 seconds. I'm investing $300. Yeah. Yep. See, the market went straight down. Created this long red candle, sorry. Yep, as expected, I won. All right, now let's see. So here we are seeing a red candle. All right, a green one. The market will go up this time. The market is going up this time. Yeah. Yep. Let's see. Investment of great. All right. I still have 7 or yep, another win. And I guess that's it, guys. That's it.